Hey all, wild weather here for liveweatherblogs.com. It's coming up on 5:35, and here is your update for Isaac. Isaac now 65 mile per hour winds, 17.2 north, 71.9 west, moving off to the northwest now. Center is right in here, just past this little jut of land of the Dominican Republic, and is now moving toward this particular way. It's going to cross Haiti. In the next 24 hours here, and then re-emerge out over here on the eastern tip of Cuba, and then continue on. Isaac now, minimum pressure at 994 millibars, so it's down 3 more millibars. It started at 1,000 millibars, so modest strengthening has been occurring most of the day, and it now seems that we do finally have one central located center, and that's the reasoning for the strengthening today. Now, on the in terms of strengthening, it should pretty much level off from this point on, as we're ingesting some dry air on the northwest side, and we're going to start interacting with land, so that'll cap the strengthening, and it'll probably start weakening as it moves over to land, probably reemerge out here as a 50, maybe 45 mile per hour tropical storm, and then we can just see how long it's going to stay over Cuba, if it does at all. If Isaac has somehow come across here and he re-emerged through this channel, which is about 90 miles wide here, 50 to 90 miles wide anyway, and then re-emerge out here and stay over the water as it heads this way, that would be bad news for South Florida. So we're going to really keep an eye on that. That's going to be the thing you really want to watch in the developments in the next 36 to 72 hours, as if Isaac were able to stay over this water right through the Florida Straits. If that is the case, then that would be extremely bad news for the South Florida here. So we'll keep an eye on that. Right now the forecast track keeps it over a long duration over Cuba, which would really weaken it down probably to 40-45 mile per hour tropical storm. Here's another look at the Caribbean Rainbow Satellite. That last website was weatherunderground.com. This is NOAA's Rainbow Satellite, Caribbean style, and you can see that the center is right in here, getting ready to move across Haiti over the next 24 to 48 hours, and then re-emerge here. You get the idea looking upstream where the clouds are moving. So you get the idea this is going to continue to move off in this direction for now, and then when it gets into this position right in here, we can start looking for the next thing that's going to steer it, probably into the Gulf of Mexico, but I can't imagine it not crossing the peninsula at this point, but we shall see. The Euro certainly doesn't have it crossing the peninsula. Let's see what the Euro has to say. This is the 2 p.m. run of the Euro, and the Euro takes it from its current position and races it across Cuba, exits Cuba near the Key West here, and then strengthens and hits Mobile Bay. So 2 runs in a row now where the Euro is pretty consistent and showing a landfalling hurricane very close to Mobile Bay and Waveland, Waveland, Mississippi, on the excuse me, on the Alabama and Mississippi border. So let's take a look at a few other things. Right now, current positions here. Again, moving off to the northwest in this general direction. You got this tropical storm force winds all in this general area. Pretty large swath of the area going to get ready to be impacted by tropical storm force winds across most of the Dominican Republic and most, if not all, of Haiti. They're really going to get hit hard tonight. So if you're in Haiti or know someone in Haiti down there, get ready. Should be at minimal winds gusting to 70, maybe some 75 mile per hour wind gusts, especially in the higher terrain, mudslides and heavy rain, and it continues to move off this way. Here's the official forecast track from the National Weather Service. Again, in this general direction, I don't see any way to argue with this, but maybe it's a smidgen further to the east, maybe right in here instead, and then brushing like this. And I'm still thinking Fort Walton Beach in this general area, right where my cursor is going. Fort Walton Beach is where we're going to see our landfalling hurricane come early Wednesday morning. So that's all I have for right now. Again, here he is, Isaac, moving off to the northwest now. It's 16 miles per hour, 994 millibars, so some strengthening has occurred. Look for that to kind of level off now. It's going to get close to land and ingesting some dry air. Again, if you're in Florida, South Florida especially, Naples, Cape Coral, Fort Myers, um, Southeast Florida, Homestead, over here, Marathon in the Key West. Definitely want to just continue to prepare for the possibility of a strong tropical storm, and if it does manage to stay out over the water, it could very well be a hurricane. So, all right, keep it here at liveweatherblogs.com. We'll be updating you throughout the night. I'm sure Mike DeFino will be by and Rob Greeno. So, and Dean Davidson already did a great post about 3 o'clock. So, keep it here at liveweatherblogs.com. We'll keep you ahead of the storm and prepare for the best or worst and hope for the best, sort of say. But this is moving in toward the U.S. now. Thanks for listening. This is Wild Weather for liveweatherblogs.com.